If you've ever wanted to review an old message, track down some important info, or just stroll down memory lane, knowing how to check your Telegram history is absolutely essential. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most reliable ways to access your full chat history on Telegram, whether you're using your phone, desktop, or even switching to a new device. By the end, you'll know how Telegram stores your messages, how to find what you need, and even how to export your entire chat archive for safekeeping. Let's jump right in. First things first. Telegram is a cloud-based messenger, which means all your messages and media are stored securely on their servers, not just on your device. That's actually a huge upside because you never have to worry about losing your chats if you switch phones or computers. Now, to check your history, start by opening the Telegram app. It doesn't matter if you're on a phone, tablet, or desktop, as it works the same way everywhere. Simply tap or click on the chat you want to look into. This could be a private message, a group conversation, or even a channel where you follow updates. Once you're inside a chat, scrolling up is the key. As you scroll, Telegram will automatically load older messages, pulling them from its cloud servers in real time. If you're looking for something specific, like an address or date someone mentioned, the search feature is your friend. Tap on the chat name at the very top. This leads you to the details. Look for the magnifying glass icon, tap it, and enter your search keywords. Telegram will automatically highlight every match and let you jump directly to the moment in your chat history where that message was sent. This can save you tons of time, especially in active group chats where scrolling might take ages. If you're using Telegram on a new device for the first time, there's no need to panic about backups or restoring files. Just install the Telegram app, log in using your phone number, and voila, all of your previous messages, media, and files will sync automatically. Give it a few moments if you're switching to a desktop or web browser, especially if your chat history is huge, but you won't need to do anything else. Cloud Sync is seamless and reliable. Your conversations follow you wherever you go. Now, what if you're looking for messages that might have been deleted? This part gets a bit tricky. If you or the other person deleted a message for everyone, it's gone for good. Telegram doesn't keep a copy after deletion. The same goes if a channel owner or admin erased the entire chat history. But you do have a couple of tools to manage your own archive. If you're using Telegram desktop, you can export your chats for a complete offline backup. Just go to Settings, then Advanced, and select Export Telegram Data. Here you can pick exactly which chats and media you want included. Telegram will generate an HTML file you can open in any browser, perfect for safekeeping or searching through old conversations outside the app. And if you're an admin in a group or channel, there's a special log called Recent Actions under the group info page. This lets you track deleted messages, membership changes, and edits from the past 48 hours. It's ideal for keeping tabs on what's happening in your community, though it doesn't store regular chat content beyond that short window. Remember, exploring your Telegram history is easy, thanks to its cloud setup and built-in search. Don't worry if something takes a little longer to load, especially in large groups or with years of history. Take your time scrolling and searching, and you'll almost always find that message you're after. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any Telegram questions or need help finding a message. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.